Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Today, I want to talk about a health issue that quietly affects millions of men. I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Most men believe that changes in urinary flow and prostate health are irreversible. Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams, speaking from the UK. If you've noticed nighttime trips to the bathroom, a weak stream, if you feel damage, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. Today, I'm going to share a short, simple technique that can improve urinary flow.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Sarah Williams, and today I want to address a persistent myth that frustrates far too many men. The idea that an enlarged prostate is a one-way path, and once your urinary comfort changes, your best years are over. While that story may seem logical, it's incomplete. What most men experience isn't just about prostate size. Day-to-day issues are influenced by pressure, swelling, bladder irritation, pelvic tension, inflammation, hydration timing, and something rarely discussed, the way you breathe and brace when using the bathroom. This last piece is exactly what this video will focus on. I'm going to share a simple 30-second habit that can improve flow, reduce that not fully empty feeling, and calm nighttime urgency for many men, often faster than expected, because it addresses the mechanics that irritate the area. Before we start, it's important to be clear. When you hear phrases like shrink your prostate fast, it's easy to imagine a dramatic weekend transformation. That's not how the body works. Prostate tissue changes slowly, but swelling and congestion can shift sooner. Muscle tension can improve in minutes, bladder signaling can calm in days, and residual urine often drops quickly when mechanics are improved. So when I say this habit shrinks the problem, I'm talking about what most men want: less pressure, less urgency, fewer trips at night, and a feeling that your system is working with you rather than against you. If you've been told you have BPH or suspect it, you're not powerless. The system is trainable. The issue isn't just a single symptom, it's the whole package that gradually wears you down. Night after night, you wake up, barely alert, to walk to the bathroom. Sometimes twice, sometimes 4 times. Sleep becomes fragmented. Mornings feel heavy. Your stream isn't what it used to be, so you wait, push, tense, and experience that almost done sensation. Then 5 minutes later, your bladder calls again. There's also a mental side rarely discussed: the constant worry when away from home, long car rides, restaurants, meetings. This ongoing stress tightens your pelvic floor, causes shallow breathing, and leads to urinating with pressure instead of natural release. Even men with only mild enlargement can feel miserable, while others with a bigger prostate function well. It's not just anatomy, it's mechanics and nervous system signals. So, what is the habit? I call it the long exhale release plus double empty routine. It has 2 phases. Downshift your nervous system with a specific exhale to relax the outlet. Give your bladder a second chance to empty without straining. Here's exactly how to do it. Before urinating, take a slow inhale through your nose for about 4 seconds, just enough to fill the lower ribs. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds, like gently fogging a mirror. Relax your jaw, shoulders, and belly. Imagine the base of your pelvis melting downward, like an elevator descending. You're not pushing, you're allowing the outlet to open. Many men unconsciously brace and hold their breath, which worsens flow. This exhale helps reverse that. Now start urinating, face, shoulders, and belly relaxed. No pushing or rushing. If standing, keep knees soft. If possible, try sitting to reduce pelvic floor tension. After finishing, don't leave immediately. Count slowly to 10 and do another long exhale. This often triggers a second small stream, the double empty. This 30-second extension reduces residual urine, which irritates the bladder and drives urgency. Less leftover urine means fewer repeat trips and calmer nights. Part 6. How it helps the prostate. The prostate surrounds the urethra, and irritation or congestion increases sensitivity. Straining raises pelvic pressure, worsening swelling and tightness. By switching from pushing to releasing, mechanical stress decreases. This habit can complement other strategies: hydration, walking, nutrition, or prescribed treatment, because you're no longer fighting your body. It also retrains the bladder-brain connection. Urgency isn't only plumbing, it's signaling. A calm exhale tells your nervous system, "We're safe," reducing spasm, urgency, and improving flow. When changes may be noticed, some men feel smoother flow immediately by stopping bracing. Within 2 to 4 weeks, repeat trips often decrease. Nighttime wake-ups may reduce, especially if fluid timing and constipation are managed. Common mistakes: pushing during exhale, focus on release, not force. Rushing the 10-second pause is key. Performance mindset counts aren't as important as feeling relaxed. Ignoring constipation, bowel pressure can worsen bladder symptoms. Late-night liquids, mechanics help, but late intake overwhelms the system. Additional tips: walk 10 minutes after your largest meal to improve circulation and reduce congestion. Shift caffeine to earlier in the day. Add 1-2-minute breathing reset outside the bathroom. Use warmth on lower abdomen and inner hips to relax muscles and improve blood flow. Real-life examples: Daniel, 67, reduced 5 minutes later, trips, felt mental relief. Javier, 72, nighttime wake-ups decreased from 3 to 1. Robert, 61, tension eased, emptying became calmer. Part 8. Safety, Mindset and Conclusion. If you notice warning signs, blood in urine, fever, burning pain, sudden inability to urinate, severe back pain, or rapid symptom worsening, seek medical care immediately. If you're on treatment, this habit still helps by reducing strain, but coordinate with your clinician. Mindset, treat this like brushing your teeth, a consistent hygiene for your nervous system and pelvic outlet. Release, don't force. Over time, your body learns. Next time you go, inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6 to 8, relax jaw and pelvis, urinate without pushing, pause 10 seconds, exhale again, and allow the second release. 30 seconds that can change your day. Comment below which symptom bothers you most: nighttime trips, weak stream, urgency, or incomplete emptying, and I'll tailor the next video to your experience. Subscribe for practical habits to support comfort, confidence, circulation, and vitality in the mature years. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional before making changes, especially if you have symptoms, take medications, or have chronic conditions.